Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate how you can use QuickTime to create a screen recording. Most of us have QuickTime on our computers already, and if not, you can download it for free. So we're going to start by opening QuickTime for creating a video. So as you see, if you click File, you've got choices: new movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. And then we can see our audio levels here. So I'm going to click the record button, which is this red button right here. And now you see it says click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen. End recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. Now, the first time I did this, I could not find a stop button. I'm like, what are you talking about? I don't even see a menu anywhere. I see my dock. I see a menu bar up here, and then I realized that little dot right there is the stop button. So first we're going to record the entire screen. So I'm just going to click, and now we are recording, and we will play back this video later to show what it looks like. And I'll just open a couple of things. This is a thumbnail that I made for my video the other day, my morning meeting. I'm going to click the space bar to preview this video. Close it. I'm going to preview this other video I'm doing on Loom. And if I was giving an instruction or tutorial, everything I'm doing right now on the screen is being captured. And when you're finished, you go up here and you click stop. Okay, so that's one recording that we've recorded. I'm going to play it back now, and we will play back this video later to show what it looks like. And I'll just open a couple of things. This is a thumbnail that I made for my video the other day, my morning meeting. I'm going to click the space bar to preview this video. Close it. I'm going to preview this other video I'm doing on Loom. And if I was giving an instruction or tutorial, everything I'm doing right now on the screen is being captured. And when you're finished, you go up here and you click stop. So we're going to save this recording by clicking File and Save and giving it a name. Just save it to the desktop for now. And as you see, the extension is .mov. That's a QuickTime format. Export the file. I could change it to audio only, and I would get an MP3 file, or export it at different resolutions, as you can see. Now, before you are finished, you can actually trim this video. Edit, trim. Trim allows you to shorten by trimming. So for instance, if I don't want the very beginning, and we will play back this video later to show what I want it to start right and here, I can grab the yellow bracket on the end and drag it over and say that's where it's going to start. This portion over here on the bottom left will get chopped off. And now at the end of the video, now when I hit trim, it's going to cut off those edges and give me a new version of the video. So trim. So now it starts in a different place. And I'll just open a couple of things. This is a thumbnail. Music, and it ends in a certain place. Computer. If I don't like it, I can undo it, try again. If I'm good with that, I can now save the file, and it should call this one test a trimmed. Okay. Now I have a shorter version of the video. Now we're going to experiment with only doing a screen recording of one section of our screen. So let's say, for example, I wanted to show this in the screen recording, but I don't want to show the rest of my desktop. So again, we go to QuickTime, new screen recording, click record. Now this time we will drag to record part of the screen. So now when I'm ready, I will click start recording, and we'll be recording only that square or that rectangle that we've outlined. There we go. So now you can see that we're recording in here. I can be getting other things ready on the side, and nothing that I'm doing over here is going to have any bearing on our recording because it's not within that area. And then I'm going to press play on there so you can see a little bit of that. This is what I'm going to be teaching about. And then I will go up here and click stop. Now click stop on this recording. Okay, so this is the recording that we just created in QuickTime. You'll hear my voiceover and you'll see that you don't see anything else on the desktop. There we go. So now you can see that we're recording in here. I can be getting other things ready on the side, and nothing that I'm doing over here is going to have any bearing on our recording because it's not within that area. And then I'm going to press play on there so you can see a little bit of that. This is what I'm going to be teaching about. Okay, so now we will save this one. Test B, part of my hand in your way, and save that to the desktop. But there you go. That's how you create a screen recording and how you can trim it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching Cybersky videos. Hope you learned something. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell for notifications. You can also find us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter @Cybersky Video. Till next time, stay blessed.